Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2025 January attempt. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other is labeled as reason. So there are three particles which have velocity, initial velocity 5 meter per second, 2 meter per second, 4 meters per second of identical mass. Assertion is three identical spheres of same masses undergoes one dimensional motion as shown in figure with initial velocity b 5 meter per second, bb 2 meter per second, bc 4 meter per second. If we wait sufficiently long for elastic collision to happen, that ba equal to 4 meter per second, bb 2 meter per second, bc 5 meter per second will be the final velocity. Reason: in elastic collision between two identical masses, two objects exchange their velocity. So student, you have studied that when two identical mass m and m collide each other, their velocity exchanges after collision. So first we take two identical mass a and v, and their initial velocity u1 is 5, u2 is 2. Okay, so using momentum conservation law, 5 into m, 2 into m, that is 5 b1 velocity after collision b1 and b2 of these two particles, 5 mv 5 b1 and 2 b2, 5 and m m b1 and m b2, because mass is same. Now m is cancelled, 5 plus 2 equal to b1 plus b2. So b1 plus b2 equal to 7. Now using Newton's law, E equal to v2 minus v1 upon u1 minus u2, and v2 minus v1, u1 is 5 and u2 is 2, and E is 1 for elastic collision. Therefore v2 minus v1 equal to 3. So this is our second. Solving these, first and second, when we add, b1 cancel, 2b2 equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10, v2 equal to 2 5 the 10, 5 meter per second. So velocity of particle b is 5 meter per second, and v1 we put is 2 meter per second. So the velocity is exchange after the collision. So here masses are given for a to b. Initial velocity is 5, it's 2. Final velocity, final become 2 and 5. For particle b and c, initial velocity is, now the initial velocity for b is 5 and c is 4. This is initial before collision, and final 4 5. Okay, so final velocities are a, it is 2, b it is 4, and c it is 5. 2 4 5 is the final velocity. In question, final velocity is given 4 to 5, which is not correct. So A is not correct, but R is true. A is false, but R is true is the correct answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.